Today we are canning sausages. These are smoked green chili, chicken, whatever. And in these bags over to the side, we have chicken apple. We have 2 bags of that. And we have smoked, uncured, Polish Kielbasa. And since they all get smoked the same amount of time, we're going to put them in the same canner.
They'll get processed.
The smoked. Sorry. And I'm going to poke them like crazy without getting my fingers in it, because I feel I should. So there we have it. We'll get going. Processed, as in a pressure canner. These are going to go in quarts for 90 minutes. And if we have any room in the canner, we're going to do a jar of pozole. Okay, be back. Now, as you saw just a few minutes ago when we started this craziness, we've got several different types of hot dogs. And we even did a jar of Costco hot dogs, just to fill up the jars. Have a full pressure canner. And we're, I got too much water. We're going to fill these, because they say don't put water. I'm going to put not quite a half in these. I saw someone who just did some hot dogs, or Oscar Mayer hot dogs, and and she put a half jar. That's warm. Dagny's gonna have to wipe these off again. Kielbasas, I know, have a lot of grease. Well, we'll find out. This is a total experimental thing, because I just feel I need to can stuff, but I'm tired. I can't stand canned beef. And I'm getting tired of staring at canned chicken. So we're going to do these, clear some room out in the freezer, so we can buy more crap to can. We're going to be doing meal starters here soon. That ought to be fun. There's the canning lady. And she fingertip tightens. So we will show you how this all turned out, whether we've had success or not. We'll be back. Okay, the jars of dogs are done. So, Dagny's going to be taking them out. Boy, did that lid loosen up.
Yeah, we got. Ooh. Who knows?
Can you sit right there so I can see it?
Yes.
Thank you. Well, we did these for 90 minutes, and I will zoom in a second. Actually, I will stop. This jar, we have decided, is the Costco hot dogs. They're straight, perfect. The water is just about up to the inch headspace. And then this one beside it is
bits and pieces of
bits and pieces, and I see a whole one. And this next one should be what? That one.
Don't know if it's apples or green chili sausage.
Okay. but as you can see, the water line is quite low.
Yeah.
And we're gonna roll this. And this jar is on the end.
Either looks to
Another
me it
one
looks
of
like
those
the green
things.
chili.
And then this jar is bits and pieces of kielbasa and hot dog.
And toss whatever we had left.
And that one is some
Prob-
kind of chili.
Or
Something or
apple. I
other.
think it's the apple. It looks like.
This is the inside of the canner. We did have some siphoning present. I don't know if this is going to pick it up, but got a little bit of oil on the top, so that would be hot dog stuff, sausage stuff.